There, that's better. Now I can get a clearer shot. Isn't that nice? Here they come. They're gathering, Timmy.
Laughing gulls.
Where? Oh, yeah.
Those are laughing
Very cool. They are laughing gulls. And there's just one regular seagull. And there's a juvenile.
gulls. Look, laughing gulls are flying up high.
Yep, and here they come. Look at how many are over here now. Yeah, like 15 of them now. 13 or 15. If you count the ones that are floating in the water back behind. You know what else we have? Look. Yep. Isn't that cool? There's some out there. They're taking it over there to munch. Oh, look at all of them swarming up there. Oh boy, the word's gotten out to me. Here they come. The word got out. Look at all of them swarming. Here they come, bud. It's the mother lode. Here they come. Oh, and here come the pretty ducks.
Many of them.
So very many of them. We used all the bread, didn't we?
Did you do that?
Yep, that was the van, that large motorcycle made the van go. Okay, but hey, buddy, the only thing we have left now from all the food is we have one box of Cheerios and corn tortillas.
Yes.
We know what happens with corn tortillas if we throw them out. They sink, so we don't want to use the corn tortillas, okay? Okay?
Okay.
So do you want to throw the rest of the Cheerios out? But then we won't have any more food.
Okay.
But I'll let you if you want to.
Okay.
Do you want to? Or do you want to save it? You want to use it?
Fill
Okay.
me lots.
Here, no, this. We don't want to do the corn tortillas because they'll sink, and that'll only be for the fish. Come to the corner on the end there and dump it. Dump it on the corner over here so it's not so close to the pier. And then they'll get it. Good job, bud. Oh, there's some more in there. There's still some in the bag. There you go. Good job. Careful so you don't get a splinter. Okay. Okay, come in so that you don't fall off the pier.